बिकॉज लोग यहाँ पे अच्छे है ही नहीं, बिकॉज छोटे छोटे बच्चे आपने देखे हैं यहाँ पे नशे करते दिखते हैं, और पेरेंट्स भी अलाउ नहीं करते बिकॉज कोई रहता ही नहीं है, छोटे रहते नहीं, थोड़े बच्चे आते वो करते हैं, तो उससे कोई अलाउ नहीं करता घर वाले, इसी वजह
नशा करके वो क्या करते हैं, गाली गलौज करते हैं क्या?
से मुझे नहीं पता बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट कम हेयर इन इवनिंग.
So what have you seen till now in at the night time?
Actually, I rarely come, but when come, nobody is there. Only some few children and other who do the things. You know that.
आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं डर का माहौल है, बच्चे डर रहे हैं, लेडीज डर रही हैं इन पार्क में आने से?
Yeah, you can say that. अगर if anyone have a securities and someone watches, so it will not never happen. So little bit we need it. Securities.
Any appeal would you like to do with the government or politicians?
Yeah, I need to do. We need some securities and some strictness, because if you have a strictness, then everybody will follow it. So yeah, we need the cleanliness, and if you give a equipment, then you should give some watch, security, and the watches though nobody do destroy the instrument which government provide, because
Do you think that police officials often do patrolling here?
yeah, they can do that, but if they will not provide, then some can you hire some members who can watch that every time. I don't know, like they come and they watch it, they don't have a time that.
You want any of the security guards should be appointed?
Yeah, so that they can know that what's happening, and not every in this park, every park have like this. In the park, no one go to do the activities like exercise, because this is very needs physical strength, and there is no. You can see that if you want to do running, can you do that? We can't do that, no?
There is no pedestrian.
No, then it's basically we have to go to far away to do the exercises. But in the early, we have to do exercises. It's important for health.